Morning. As you can see on the device here, I have a Green Dabbler. One of the most widely used patterns here in Ireland from Mayfly time right to the back end. Okay, so get started on this. So up first is a Partridge size 10 wet supreme. And I have Semperfli classic watery olive 12 as you can see there. Right, so you've seen me doing this before. I start my thread where my body is going to finish. Two wraps tied in first. I'll bring that forward to lock it in place, and then down the hook. Okay, my tail is Mallard. Very important to get well marked Mallard. So my tail length is roughly a hook and a half. You can have it longer, have it shorter. Bring that forward. Clip your waist ends where you started your thread, and play my rib, which is oval tinsel. And then start bringing it back, locking them all in place. So the body is light olive. Small amounts, easier to put on then. One or two turns just at the start, and then start bringing it forward. You can see that it's actually quite loose as well. That's just to get the fibres out. And also you have to keep in mind that if you want to keep a low wing profile, you have to have less double material here, because what will happen is that the wing kind of cocks up like so. Right, next up my body hackle. It's a medium olive. Do one turn. This is a pint fly. Your oval tinsel, lock that in place. I want to keep my rib even as possible with the spacings. So clip this off. And there's a heavy duty scissors. You clip your tinsel off. You see if a few fibres going forward. Moisten your fingers and lock everything in place. Right. So my Velcro brush, this is a Swiss tool. Stroke everything back. I'm also bringing the dubbing out as well. You can see it coming through that body hackle. If you're doing any other dabblers, you will see that in a better effect, especially something like the International Dabbler. Right, my wing, more bronze Mallard. Line no scissors. Fold it in half. Oops. Like so. Straighten up those tips. Offer to the top of the shank, and you're looking roughly half the length of the tail. So you just pinch it in, and also carry out the pinch and loop technique. The only thing that should be moving is the waist end, which you see there. Okay, put everything in place there. That's fine there. Okay, thumb and forefinger, I'll just hold the wing in place, and with your fine point scissors, snip the half. Bring your thread forward, back, yeah. And you can see my wing is actually in a low profile. Right, next up is an Indian brown red game. You see there. Okay, with your fingers, you can see how I'm holding it there. Start stroking them back, the birds back. So, and you're going to get Christmas tree effect. Okay. So, right, my scissors, I'm going to cut this waist end off. I'm going to leave myself a tine point. Offer to the shank, the side of the shank, and tie in. And bring your thread forward and then back again. And what you're doing is you're tying in and you're locking it and then bring it forward again. You also get the nice head here as well, so there's no slipping involved. Right, so bring everything forward, back, stroking it all back. So bring it forward. Bring your thread up, stem to 90 degrees, makes a separation, and then just 3 turns there. Fold your waist piece back, and then build your head up. So, and then just whip finish 3 times down towards the eye. So, and just cut off this waist piece. So, and that is your Green Dabbler. Go and try that. Any questions, give me a buzz or reply on the YouTube channel. For my varnish, and I'll come back tomorrow and give it another go at. Thanks for watching. See you again next week.